Alright, so today I'm gonna show the vibes them how to make chocolate French fried chicken. As me I say, so you get a piece of chicken. As me I say, you get about two tea mix. As me I say, because I couldn't get no cocoa, that's why I use the tea mix. As me I say, you get your Maggi all-purpose, your flour. As me I say, your oil and season and so on. As me I say, yeah man. So after you just go so and season up your chicken. As me I say, you just go so and season up your flour. You see me, I say me didn't put my egg in it, but come like somebody fry egg, come no see egg. You see me, I say just so and chew in your tea mix in your flour and mix it up. And with that call again, I supposed to butter, you mix it up with the season them and the tea mix in it, then you chew a chicken down in a butter, make it and they soak for about 10 minutes. You see me, I say. So after I done soak, you fling on the pot with the oil and fry your chicken. You see me, I say. Yeah. Yeah, man. You see, this here, chocolate flavor, French fried chicken, give your taste bud, enlighten your taste buds. You see me, I say, you when you bite, you taste the elegance and the charisma. You see me, I say, turn you off. You understand? Yeah, man. So very delicious chicken. You see me, I say, spontaneous flavor which enrich your stomach. You see me, I say, leaving your stomach full and happy. Very good digestion. You see me, I say. So you don't know, big up whole Isle Nation. You see me, I say, you don't know. I be I be yo. Alright. Don't know straight big up. Yeah.